Guys, I think about the original sound of it. This is crazy. Wait, let's wait for the part to come up. Just to let you know, it's from Big Bang Theory.
My calves.
While Sheldon blows out candles on a birthday cake, Amy shields one flame behind a paper plate.
Oops, missed one. Now your wish can't come true.
Shrugging, she carries the cake away. Lucky for you, because I wished you were dead.
I found the original. I found it. I feel like more people in the world found it, but
Cool, so does my dad.
I don't care. I found it. Is it Big Bang Theory? I didn't never knew. When people say cover the candle, because they try to mint it from the thing. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Wait. There you go. Bye.